guys, guess what I got for 50 bucks, you guys? Wow!
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good morning, guys. It's H2O. What's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs Phone. What you guys been doing? Anything exciting? Well, right now here, you guys, I'm just about to head to work, you guys. Yes, I am working. So it's gonna be fun and exciting, you guys, and really chillaxing right now. I'm so tired. So, I'm just really tired, you guys. Really relaxing. So, that's what we're gonna be doing right now, you guys. Just getting ready for work, and I'm gonna have my breakfast. It's blueberry muffins, so we're gonna have some blueberry muffins, which will be really good, handy, nice and good. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am eating my muffin, when I'm done eating muffins. So I just got done my muffin and I'm just heading to work, so that's what we are doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I'll talk to you guys then. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are just heading into work, so I'll talk to you guys when we are done work. So I'm done work, so I'll talk to you guys when I get home, so I'll talk to you guys then. Hey guys, guess what I got for 50 bucks, you guys? It's this KitchenAid! Yeah, I got for 50 bucks because they made a mistake, so they give it to me for 50 bucks, which is a really good deal. It was 150, but someone put $50 by mistake, and I got it for 50 bucks. Woo! So we are having some chicken with broccoli chicken, you guys, and then we are gonna have some sidekicks, which is chicken, you guys. Yeah, we love our chicken, you guys. Yes, we love our chicken. Chicken. So I'm just turning this stuff up in the oven. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are gonna make some puppy chow. Yes, we are making some puppy chow, you guys. Yes, so good, you guys. It is really good, you guys. I love puppy chow. Shh. No one knows. Shh. Puppy chow is the best snack ever. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when we make puppy chow. Look at that, you guys. It looks so good. Puppy chow. Yes, that's how you make puppy chow, you guys. If you guys want me to make the full video on it, comment down below if you guys want me to do the full video on FoodTube, you guys, because I want to do that, because that's something that I really want to do sometime. Do something like that. That'd be really cool. Really awesome if we get some likes on this video. That'd be awesome. If you don't, that's okay, you guys. So that's what we are going to be doing. So I'm talking, guys, when I am cleaning up the dishes and get that going. So I'll talk to you guys when I clean up the dishes. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow. It's a brand new video called